Hello everyone, how you guys doing? Hope you are doing great. I'm just going to show you how I cook my egusi soup. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't fail to subscribe. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and share. I'm just going to go ahead and show you the ingredients I have here. So I have the meat I'm going to be using here. I have chicken, beef, and bomo, which is the cow skin, and I have the dry fish, stockfish. Here is the melon I'm going to be using, egusi, the palm oil, and I have my fresh fish here. So this is the dried squeezed bitter leaf I'm going to be using. You can see how dried it is. And here is the tomatoes I'm going to be using, crayfish, pepper, Maggi. The crayfish, I did not allow it to grind too much because I like it just the way it is. So just keep watching.
Don't charge my energy, I no get time for no enemy. Tori pe pole to me. Nothing with person never see. I'm on nothing with person never see. Forget it, I say bashi. Money soon expected. Check out what body I jump. I take out to the person. Check. I'm in the answer, yes sir.
Here we are. I'm going to add my stockfish now. I've washed it, parboiled it, so now I'm adding it. And the dry fish. I'll just go ahead and add the fresh fish to it. Then later I will remove it. I will allow the fish to boil for some minutes before removing it and start other things to do. So, just going to collide.
Yes, sir. Respect is reciprocal, even though I know say special. Anybody, when no one to search you. Anybody, when no the carry body. I can't something, I can't something. To bata fele, I can't something. You want job where you never work, should not because myself and
Wow. So now I'm going to be adding my egusi to it.
you want job where you never work, should not because myself I never done. I look you, they laugh, you go, I shall no say the time go come, mama, I no say the time go come. When you look go fit the line, oh man. Life not on python. Whether you like or not, go back and scam me, basically go boss. So yeah, keep me jack on bow. Anybody, when no one to search you. Anybody, when no the carry body. I can't something, I can't something. To bata fele, I can't something. Money soon expected. Check out what body I jump. I take out to the person. I'm in the answer, yes sir.
I'm going to be adding a little water. Then after that, I'll just go ahead and add the meat. You can see. Then I'll cover it before adding the leaf to it. So just keep watching. Wow, I can assure you that it tastes really nice. You can see it. So I'm just going to add the bitter leaf. I soaked it and washed it before using it. If you don't have bitter leaf, you can add any leaf you have, spinach, pumpkin, anyone. So I just decided to use bitter leaf this time. I'll just go ahead and add the fish. I always add my fish the last thing because I always make it the last thing because I don't want it to scatter. So anytime I'm cooking, I always make it the last thing. I won't be looking for the fish inside the soup. So you can see how colorful it is, and I promise you it's so delicious. So I'm just going to add a little salt. You can add the salt and the Maggi to your taste. Just let me know what you learned and what suggestion you have in this video. Just leave it at the comment section, and don't fail to subscribe.